forever, ever hold or never mind. Oh,
Beautiful Pisces, how are you guys doing? I welcome you all to Soul Tarot. How are you? I hope you guys are safe, stay home, take care of your loved ones, and let's see what you need to see for July. We're doing a July reading, okay? So we don't do reversals on the channel unless I'm guided to. No genders. All my information is in the description box. I'm going to pull out a Moonology oracle for you. Then I'm going to clarify the same with the tarot advice from Lightseer and close the reading with the notes from the universe. Okay. So let's see, Michael Gabriel, what do we need to see for our wonderful Pisces? What do Pisces need to see for the upcoming July? What are the supporting energies? How's the week or week spanning out for them? I feel it's more about your heart, really, okay? And it's about understanding that confidence is the key. It says you're good enough. Full moon in Virgo. It's about your heart. It's about healing. It's about Hilarion. Divine healing happening, guys. Just be very honest with yourself, Pisces. For those who are resonating, watching, cross watchers, please take it as it resonates, okay? Just be more aligned with your heart, because your experiences have taught you certain things wherein you have to do a little bit of shadow work, but you've been humble and you've been kind, because now when you look back and see, you see things in much more clarity, okay? And it's like I see you missing somebody. I don't know who you're missing, but you're missing somebody. For Pisces, Michael Gabriel, show me the messages for the highest. What do we need to see for Pisces? Please take care of your domestic side, because that really needs attention. For some, health would be priority. Pay attention to your health. And as I said, this particular full moon is all about being too picky about things. But the advice is that please don't. Okay? If you have kind of promised somebody something, then learn to give it. That is how I see this. Let's see, what do we need to see for a Pisces? Overall, they say that your financial health would be alright. They say that your children, for some who have, are happy. They're saying that, success would be around. But yeah, right now there's lack of peace, because you're battling something, you're dealing with something. Let me have water. Sorry, my throat was dry. So with the Tower here, it is not a bad card. It is about something just struck you big. You realize certain things in time now, and you're ready for it, because that particular thing has been eating you head out. Maybe you're dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, somebody who shook your base, somebody who was not right, somebody who was not honest. So you trusted people and felt stabbed and hurt, and you lost out on some good people in the process. What else do we need to see? But you've gathered the strength, I think, and you're dealing with it. And you're saying that I never give up. And stop being very critical about yourself. That's also one thing. They're saying that you're worth it. You're worth everything. And just remind yourself that how good you are, how wonderful you are. Do good, not because it will change your karma. Do good because it comes to you unexpectedly in good ways. I mean, it changes your reality. So we have the Seven of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. You had a lot of options in the past. You were dealing maybe with someone you got, of course, it is quite your energy. They're saying that you made a wrong choice somehow on the way, that brought the tower, and that questioned your skills, your strength, your abilities, and your trust in people. With the Two of Wands, now you're anxiously waiting, and you know that you have the support from the spirit, because they're reminding you again and again that you have to find that balance within. With the Two of Wands, this is also how I see that. Don't be critical, but find that balance within you. Work on your shadow side too, so that the spirits can really help you, because our mundane life, our regular life can be very, very challenging, right? And as Pisces, you have that thing that you go one side and then the other side at times, because you're emotional people. You go deep in the waters. So I think practicing more meditation would really help you. Grounding will help you. And it's just a reminder to live a healthier life. Be more with Mother Gaia. I think that would really, really help you, Pisces. Maybe dealing with a Virgo, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Of course, I see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. I see. And you've been in this Five of Cups energy because you were not happy with what happened in the past, maybe at work, maybe in your personal dynamic, with your family members. You never received what you wanted to receive, you never got it, right? And you've been very upset about it. Now they're saying that now it's changing. With your faith, with your trust, it's changing, because that sense of balance is coming in, and everything is going to pan out the way you thought it will. Okay, and it might not seem very convenient somewhere in the middle of the week, but they're saying that it is going to happen, because you have the potential to make it big. It's also about asking the right kind of answers, receiving the right answers that you want. And you don't want to stay in the conflicting state. You don't want to keep guessing, and you want to declutter. You don't want to keep things that are not really, really serving you well. With the King of Cups energy, which is Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy, you want to be attuned to your emotions, really, for which meditations would be great. And it's really about aligning yourself well and finding that balance within. That is what I see strongly for you, Pisces. And also it's about taking that next step forward with sheer enthusiasm. With the Emperor energy, I'm going to pull this for you, just as a reminder that you are way too good. Don't second guess yourself. You're very good, okay? And your worth is something that was questioned by whoever you were dealing with, an air element or a fire element. They basically questioned it, but now things are getting into perspective. Now you're seeing things clearly, because you are getting back to the ground. You're understanding that why it all happened, and now you're seeing things clearly. You are not in a state where you want, as I said, messy things around you. You want to have a healthy, happier, peaceful life, good relationships, and that's how this is visible to me. You don't want confusion, really. You don't want drama. You don't want misunderstandings to plague the relationships anymore. And you're saying that I'm getting it all right now. It's just coming on to me very clearly. So I see fire, I see air element, of course, and with your energy, like you aligning it with yourself, with the water, you are just going in the right direction. You're going in the right direction. Just keep trusting. Don't keep guessing as to whether you can trust this person or not, right? Because it was probably a lesson that you had to undergo, or something big that happened, I feel, for some of you. Let's see what are the notes from the universe that you guys need to see, my Pisces. Your reading was heavy, no doubt. Your reading was quite heavy. But then I'm glad that with Gabriel here, you are in the right space and zone, and things will be beautiful going forward. Absolutely. What are the notes from the universe for Pisces? What do you need to see for the notes from the universe from Pisces? My God, it's like maybe you're stuck. You're still kind of in that energy. But don't worry. Worrying doesn't help. Worry does not help. Worry will attract more worry now. Stop it. So, this is like your answer is also big. My capacity to tune into the energy of love. Give me the words I need. When I'm ready to speak up. The compassion I need when it's time to forgive. The power I need when I'm lost. You have it all. You're good enough. Exactly the thing. You're good enough. Don't stop. Don't second guess your self worth. Don't question it. Don't judge it. Release it. Whatever was not for you was not for you. It happened in the past. It's gone. Move forward. Look forward. And you'll see the sun shining so bright. And you would know that balance would be restored very shortly, my Pisces. Okay, so this resonates. Give me a like and subscribe, and I shall see you the next time. Until eternity. Bye.